Are you getting this error message in your computer for any specific size of file for your specific game or specific work? So if you are getting this error message, then watch this video till the end, because I am going to give you the best solution. To resolve this issue, you first of all need to go to my computer or this computer. Just right click on this and click on this properties option, and new window will open up. So in this window you need to click on advanced system settings. So just tap on this option, and after that again herein you will get these options in system properties. You need to click on advanced once again. On in front of this performance you need to click on settings. New window will open up wherein you need to click on advanced once again, and herein under virtual memory you need to just click on this change, and herein you can select any of these. First of all you need to uncheck this automatically manage. Just uncheck this option. You can select any of drive where you want to save large size files. So I want to save it in C drive. So after that you need to click on this custom size. Tap on this custom size, and herein you need to enter the initial minimum size or maximum size. You can enter any size like 10 MB, and maximum size like 3000 MB or 40,000 MB. You can just click on set, click on OK, click on OK, done. You need to restart your computer. So after following this step, and if you still unable to do it, you can again change the maximum size. If you want more size, you can again click on change, and you can again customize it, and you can increase the size from here. So I hope friends now you will be able to do it, and in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.